Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for exams. Start by making a simple study plan. Think about what you need to learn and when you'll study each subject. It's like planning a fun adventure. Break down big tasks into smaller steps, perhaps studying for 20 to 30 minutes at a time. Gather your textbooks, notes, and any worksheets so everything is ready. This helps you feel prepared and confident for your exams. Make studying active and fun. Instead of just reading, try using flashcards for new words or math facts. You can even explain what you're learning to a parent, a sibling, or even your favorite stuffed animal. Drawing pictures or diagrams can also help you remember tricky ideas. These methods make your brain work harder and help information stick better. Practice is super important for exams. Try doing practice questions from your workbook or any sample tests your teacher provides. Go over your notes and textbooks often, maybe for 15 minutes each day. This helps you see what you already know well and what you might need to spend a little more time on. Don't be afraid to ask for help if something is still confusing. On exam day, make sure you get at least 8 to 10 hours of sleep the night before. A healthy breakfast, like oatmeal or eggs, will give your brain the energy it needs. When you get your exam, take a deep breath and read all the instructions very carefully. Answer the questions you know first, and then go back to the harder ones. You've prepared well, so you've got this.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.